How to fix the Microsoft Store is not opening in Windows 11. So if the Microsoft Store is not launching or it's not working, here's a couple of ways on how to solve this. So first, just open up the Start menu on your computer. You then need to search for Microsoft Store, go and right click on the store and press App Settings. Now scroll down this page until you see Terminate and click the Terminate button. You then need to scroll down to Repair and click on this. Now scroll down to Reset and also click on this as well. You can then go and press Reset. Now once you've done this, open up your Start menu again. You then need to type in WSReset and click on this option here. Now once you've done this, it should go and open up the Microsoft Store. If it's not working, close out of this window, open up your Start menu and click on Settings. From the left hand side, select Time and Language. Click on Date and Time and make sure Set the Time Zone Automatically is switched on, and also Set the Time Automatically needs to be switched on. You'll then need to press Windows Update and select Check for Updates. If there's any updates available, you'll need to go and install these now, and once you've done this, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, there is one final solution. Open up the Start menu again. Search for PowerShell, right click on Windows PowerShell and run this as administrator. Now in this window, we need to go and copy and paste the following command. I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come in, copy and paste this as well. So I'm just going to paste it in like so and press enter. Now once you've done this, close out of this window. You can then try opening the Microsoft Store and it should now go and open like so.